These headlines made the top stories tonight. Petros recognized as sole gas aggregator. Unimas Prima Health Center pioneers digital healthcare for aging population. Hexagonal Pavilion shines at Kwong Park. Good evening. The Sarawak government and Petroleum Sarawak Berhad Petros, as the sole gas aggregator in the state, will continue to work closely with Petroleum Nasional Berhad Petronas. According to Sarawak Premier, Dato' Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Dato' Abang Openg, this collaboration is to ensure that Petros carries out its role as a sole gas aggregator without interruption to the supply of gas for consumers, including investors. Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari expresses appreciation towards Prime Minister Dato' Sri Anwar Ibrahim for his statement made during a press conference in Abu Dhabi, which, among others, clearly recognized and acknowledged Petros as a sole gas aggregator in Sarawak. He said this would enhance collaboration between the federal and Sarawak governments, Petronas and Petros, whereby such strategic collaborations will drive the efforts to make Malaysia and Sarawak in particular into becoming an energy hub. He said this in a statement issued by the Office of the Premier of Sarawak on Wednesday. The Sarawak Premier added that the cooperation will also enhance the nation's global competitiveness in attracting investments, technological research, and new industries, particularly petrochemical derivatives. He said this will lead to alignment towards the creation of high-paying jobs and the economic growth of the nation. The University Malaysia Sarawak Unimas Prima Health Center was introduced today as a pioneering healthcare platform utilizing the latest technology to address challenges of an aging population. Sarawak Premier Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari said technology such as artificial intelligence (AI) and smart medical devices will play an important role in ensuring that the elderly receive more efficient and personalized care.
Saya dipahamkan our population tidak lama lagi 16% will be above 60 years, meaning we are going towards aging population. Aging population nama lagi aging. Kalaunya aging banyak maintenance. Kalaunya maintenance berkendakkan maintenance yang luar biasa. Sebab itu saya rasa klinik ini dan hospital yang mengajar ini satu-satunya workshop untuk beri maintenance wang lebih 60 tahun. Macam saya lah. Saya 34. Bermana banyak maintenance.
He said this when officiating the Unimas Prima Health Center in Kota Samarahan on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari also shared his vision of the future whereby smart medical devices will not only collect health data but also help humans evolve by integrating technology into the body. According to him, technology such as digital, X-rays and other medical detection devices will also pave the way for more proactive healthcare, thus reducing the burdens of care in traditional hospitals.
Meaning you are there together with all these medical devices. Jadi maknanya buku itu mengatakan manusia mungkin 50% human, 50% machine. Ini akan berlaku masa depan, tapi saya serah dengan orang doktor lah. Tidak doktor atas tu, juga doktor-doktor yang ada untuk mengkaji sama ada betul atau tidak betul. Tetapi kalau kajian dah dibuat, maka mungkin ini berlaku. Dan mudah-mudahan Unimas dapat mewujudkan cara pendekatan melalui teknologi yang terkini dalam kita mendapatkan data yang boleh kita consolidate dan seterusnya memberikan maintenance kepada orang-orang tua macam saya.
The Hexagonal Pavilion at Kwong Park is bathed in light as the pavilion and the nearby trees are decorated with colorful lights in conjunction with the upcoming Chinese New Year 2025. Sarawak Deputy Premier, Dato' Amar Professor Dr. Sim Kui Hian, was present to officiate the lighting ceremony on Tuesday. Upon his arrival, Dato' Amar Dr. Sim was greeted with a lion dance performance before the lighting ceremony was held. Next, he and other attendees watched a fireworks display that also lit up the sky in the area. According to him, the lighting ceremony aimed to celebrate unity, joy, as well as harmony and the progress of the local community. It is also to inspire locals to work together in bringing more positive energy to the community. Persistent efforts and effective use of existing resources are key in driving student success, particularly in rural areas where the infrastructure may still be developing. Sarawak Minister for Women, Early Childhood and Community Wellbeing Development, Dr. Sri Fatima Abdullah, said student excellence should remain a priority even though the school is located far from a city centre. She stressed that educational excellence is not necessarily achieved through complete facilities, but rather with persistent efforts and wise use of available resources, the success of students and schools can be realized. She spoke at the SK Kampong Klit Plajau Student Excellence and Appreciation Ceremony in Dalat on Tuesday. Taking SK Kampong Klit Plajau as an example, Dr. Sri Fatima praised the school's efforts in organizing cross-country activities even though the roads are still under construction and sandy. At the same time, the Dalat Assemblywoman also encouraged students around the school area to live in dormitories as a step to improve discipline and more organized time management. Meanwhile, she stressed on the importance of sending children to preschool as an initial step in forming quality human capital in the future. Sarawak Premier, Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari, is scheduled to officiate the EIC Connect Energy Borneo 2025 event on 25th and 26th February at Hikmah Exchange, Kuching. This prestigious event, organized by the Energy Industries Council (EIC), aims to provide an exclusive platform for industry leaders, innovators, and decision-makers to collaborate and expand business opportunities in Borneo's dynamic energy market. According to EIC Asia Pacific Regional Director Asma Nasser, Kuching was selected as the host city for this annual event for the first time following previous editions held in Kuala Lumpur. He spoke at the EIC APAC annual breakfast in Kuching on Tuesday. Additionally, a strategic partnership with the British Malaysian Chamber of Commerce (BMCC) was announced as a supporting partner. The event is expected to attract over 1,000 participants from various countries and sectors, serving as a key platform to foster strategic collaborations and capitalize on opportunities in Borneo's rapidly growing energy industry. And that's the English edition with me, Philip Yeoh. More news can be found in our official portal, ukas.sarawak.gov.my, and social media platforms including Facebook and YouTube. We end the bulletin with a montage of the Sarawak Premier officiating the Unimas Prima Health Center in Kota Semarahan on Wednesday. #Saluran Informasi Rakyat. Have a good night.